Welcome to KP Points. In this lecture, we discuss top most 50 important MCQs of chapter Evolution based on NCERT class 12. Let's start. First question. Who proposed the theory of inheritance of acquired character? Darwin? No. Lamarck? Yes. Lamarck proposed theory of inheritance of acquired characters. Number 2. The term survival of fittest was coined by Darwin? No. Wallace? No. Herbert Spencer? Yes. Number 3. The theory of natural selection was proposed by natural selection. Darwin and Wallace? Yes. Simple question. Number 2 are most important question. Now, number 4. The concept of mutations as a source of variation was given by Hugo de Bridge. Also, most important question. Number 5. Which of the following is an example of adaptive radiation? Darwin's finches? Yes. Darwin's finches are example of adaptive radiation. Now, question number 6. The study of fossils is called embryology? No. Paleontology? Yes. Correct answer is B. Number 7. The evolution of similar characters in unrelated groups is called convergent evolution? Yes. Number 8. The wings of bats and birds are example of. Birds belongs to class aves or aves and bats belongs to class mammals. Or function of wings are phyli, is that means function same and origin different. Means homologous organ? No. Analogous organ? Yes. Number 9. The forelimb of a man, whale and bat are example of. Whale belong to class mammals. Bat also belongs to class mammals. And man also belongs to class mammals. But function of forelimb of man different in case of whale, different in case of bat, different. Is that means different function and structure same. Homologous organ? Yes. Number 10. Which one is vestigial organ in humans? Kidney? No. Appendix? Yes. Appendix are vestigial. Number 11. The earliest fossil were found in sedimentary rocks? Yes. Number 12. Industrial melanism in papered moth is an example of natural selection? Yes. Now, next question number 13. The first life on earth was autotrophic? No. Heterotrophic? Yes. Number 14. Chemical evolution of life was experimentally supported by Miller and Urey? Yes. Number 15. The first gases in Earth's primitive atmosphere were, in case of primitive Earth, oxygen was absent. Oxygen and nitrogen? No. Carbon dioxide, NH3, CH4, H2? Yes. Number 16. The oldest known microfossils are stromatolites? Yes. Number 17. The evolution of horse shows adaptive radiation? No. Progressive evolution? Yes. Correct answer is B. Number 18. The genetic drift was first explained by Savoy-Bright? Yes. Number 19. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium deals with evolutionary change? No. Population genetics? Yes. Now question number 20. According to Hardy-Weinberg principle, evolution occurs when allele frequency change? Yes, of course. Number 21. Genetic drift is most common in large populations? No. Small populations? Yes. Number 22. The sum of allele frequencies of a gene in a population is 0, no, 1, yes. P square plus 2pq plus q square is equal to 1 or p plus q is equal to 1. Now, Number 23. The phenomena of formation of new species is called speciation. Formation of new species known as speciation. Number 24. The first organisms to colonize land were algae, no. Fungi, no. Bryophytes, yes. Number 25. The first vertebrates to live on land were amphibians, yes. Correct answer is A. Now, question number 26. The human evolution originated from, very simple question, Africa. Number 27. The first hominid fossil discovered was Australopithecus, yes. Number 28. The cranial capacity of modern man is, that means today, is 650 cc, no. 900 cc, no. 1350 cc, yes. Now question number 29. The modern man belongs to species Homo habilis, no. Homo erectus, no. Homo sapiens, yes. Number 31. Lamarckism was disproved by Weizmann, yes. Question number 32. The evidence of embryology supports evolution. 33. Ontogeny repeats phylogeny was proposed by Haeckel. Number 34. The horse evolution started with Eohippus. Now, question number 35. The closest living relative of humans are gorilla and chimpanzees, yes. Now, next, question number 36. Which among the following shows divergent evolution? Divergent evolution is, that means, like this. This is divergent evolution. Forelimb of whale and bat, yes, because all are belongs to mammals. Now, question number 37. The concept of chemical evolution of life was proposed by Oparin and Haldane. Number 38. The fossil Archaeopteryx represents a link between reptiles and mammals, no. Reptiles and birds, yes. Most important question. Now, question number 39. Which of the following is not an agent of evolution? Mutation is agent of evolution. Migration, agent of evolution. Genetic drift, agent of evolution. Symbiosis, no. Correct answer is D. Now, 40. The rate of evolution is slow in stable environment, yes. Number 41. The population is said to be in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium when gene frequency remain constant, yes. When gene frequency remain constant is, that means, Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Number 42. Adaptive radiation in mammals took place after disappearance of dinosaurs, yes. Number 43. Fossilization is least likely in soft-bodied organisms, yes, because soft-bodied organism cannot form fossils or not preserve in form of fossils. Hard cells organism form fossils, yes. Organisms build quickly, yes. Plants, yes. Number 44. The process of gradual change from simple to complex life form is evolution. 45. The oldest known fossils of man belongs to Australopithecus. Number 46. Industrial melanism provides evidence for mutation, no. Provide natural selection. Clear? Number 47. The genetic makeup of a population is known as gene pool, yes. Number 48. Origin of Species was published in 1809, no. 1859, yes. Now, question number 49. The sequence of human evolution is, most important question, sequence of human evolution. Australopithecus, yes. And then Homo habilis, yes. Homo erectus, yes. Homo sapiens, yes. Number 50. And last question, evolution is a result of mutation and natural selection? Yes. Adaptation and isolation? Yes. Gene flow and recombination? Yes. All of these? Yes. In this lecture, we discuss top 50 MCQs of chapter Evolution NCERT. If you want more questions like this, then comment yes in comment section. Hope you like it.